So if you want to fit more icons on the home screen of your Samsung Galaxy phone, all you have to do is change the home screen layout. So you can see for me, I have 4 icons across, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 this way. Okay, so if I can increase the number or change the layout, all I have to do is pinch and then go to settings. That should open the home screen settings. Under home screen settings, you can see my home screen layout, or rather the home screen grid is 4 by 6, and that's why I have 4 apps this way across and then 6 apps along. So I can increase that to maybe 5 by 6, and you can already see I should have more space to add apps. Okay, so I can drag this one here, beg your pardon, can put that one there, and then move this one there, and then move this one here, and now suddenly I have all the space to add apps. And that's basically how you can fit more apps to the home screen of your Galaxy Z, or rather any Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching and good luck.